Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to cover the custom fields. Basically, it is a very fundamental concept inside the GoHighLevel CRM. If you have some programming background, you will try to relate it with the local variable in the programming languages. But if you have no technical background, I will try to explain in easy words because this is a really important concept inside the GoHighLevel and it is very handy. So let's hop into GoHighLevel. We are inside our GoHighLevel and so I'll try to explain you with the problem statement. The problem is that I have multiple contacts, but I want to store their favorite singers. How do I save their favorite singers in my CRM? The answer is that there is no default way, but instead we can do another thing which is called creating custom fields. I'll go into my settings and hit the custom fields. Now there is no field called favorite singer, but that is very important for me to save this type of information for my clients. I will do what is that I will add a field. I can actually choose any type of data type. I will use a single line for this. I will hit the next button, then the field name. So favorite singer. Okay, so here I can select the group if I want to save this type of information in the contact group or the general information. You can see that the contact, general information, additional info, form 2, form 1, whatever that is present, these are all associated with the contact, with the lead itself, which is inside your CRM. So I will just use, I should say, I think general info. So the object is opportunity or contact. I will say this is a contact and save it. So if I move back into the contacts tab and create a new contact, you will able to see the mass and okay, let's save it and I will search mass here. Okay, so it is here and general info, it is here. So you can see the business name, country, city, age group, fitness, and yep, here you go. This is favorite singer. So you can type any singer right here, XYZ or Taylor Swift, whatever you want to say. I will go with XYZ because I don't have any that much favorite singer. I have a lot of favorite singers. Okay. So this contact is being created and we are done. So you want to basically differentiate between the custom field and a custom value. Both are really simple, but if you have the coding or the technical programming language knowledge, you will understand and relate it with global variables and the local variables. The custom fields are like the local variables, but if you say the custom values, those act like the global variables. So they are only one inside a sub account, but you can have basically you can have multiple custom fields. You can have favorite singer for one contact and another contact, both can be different. But if I choose the custom values and there is a single field called a favorite singer, so that will be applicable on the whole sub account settings. If wherever I use favorite singer variable, that would always be XYZ. So that's from my side. If you have any questions regarding these things, you may ask in the comment section. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. If you find this video helpful, you may like the video and subscribe the button. I'll see you in the next video.